All right, so kings and queens, my name is Professor Holy Rock, and I want to make a video right now on and show you how to get your Amazon book link. Okay, just do you have a book on Amazon and you want to be able to share the link to your friends on Facebook, on WhatsApp, so that everywhere in the world, so that they can click and get your book instead of just telling them go on Amazon, search my name, my book, and I will appear. This is more easier. So this is what you do to get your Amazon sweet link. Why I say sweet link is because if you don't do it right, you would think you have copied the link, but it's not what you copy. Just watch what I will show you now. So just open your browser and then type Amazon. You can see Amazon.com. Enter. There's this book we published for some. This is the book, Top 25 Reasons Why Businesses Fail. So then you type your book. Okay, this is the book. We have published so many books for clients, men and women all over. So, and this is one of the books we just published. So now you click, you see where I am, then you click, let me see if I can get the icon so that you can easily see. I just needed to do these videos so that I didn't plan to make this video, that's the truth, but I just have to do it because people are asking me for it. So there's something I would have even checked before coming. Okay, let me not take much time. So then this is it. At least you can see my mouse. So this is the book, Top 25 Reasons. So click on it, it will open. Then you scroll down, you scroll a little. Now you see where I wanted to get that icon where I'll be drawing everywhere I am, but if I want to search for that now, I will take more time. I want to just make this snappy and go. Now you see this place they call ASIN, ASIN, not sin, no sin that people commit to, not that type of sin. This one is ASIN. It means now. So this thing you see here, let me highlight it. You see here, very important. Now you just go, to create, let's say this is the book. If you have more than one book on Amazon, this is the same thing you do. Every of the book on Amazon has different ASIN. Not saying by the way, if you know, you know. Now there's something you need to do. You see this thing, just type something like this in your WhatsApp. You have a normal WhatsApp or your notepad, but I prefer WhatsApp because you easily click it. You have WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp and the WhatsApp business. Just type www.amazon.com/dp/ you could put the HTTPS. Now see where the thing is now. Then when you have searched, your book should be live. Once your book is live, if you can do it yourself, go ahead. If we do it for you, it's the same thing. Although Amazon has some work, it's not something you can just publish on your own without learning it. It's somehow technical. So now you copy. Watch, please. if you don't get it, you need to get it. This is a different book with a different as in each of the book has this. You can see the publisher, Professor Olero. You can see it. Don't copy this one. No. This is the as in product details. You copy it. You now put it. Now you have already typed this. Then you paste that as in. You see it. You paste it there. That's your book link. If you have another book different from this one, you go again on Amazon. Once it is like Amazon.com, then you click on the book title, scroll down, the option will be different. Then you enter this Amazon.com/DP/ the asin of that particular book. Now, what will happen now? You can see the book we just copy now. Now, why I prefer WhatsApp because you can easily click, the link will be clickable. Now let's click that link now and see if it will take us to Amazon. In fact, it is even supposed to show me the book titles and all that. Let's just watch. That's because if I copy it again, that link again, if you copy the book to send it, wait for some seconds for it to show your title. Did you see it? So once you do it like that, every every you every person that can easily click and come to that particular book, or they can also search like this book. Now is this book is titled 20 top 25 reasons. If they type the same title, but how many persons who want to go and be typing your title? How many persons even know your book title? Because the book is not as popular as Rich Dad, Poor Dad, some of the books by Masmoro and all that. So not everybody will even have the title. Even yourself, if you have the full title, only you can have the full title since it's not a popular book like that. So this is easier for people to click on. The another, let me just tell you, I've showed you what I want to show you. So this is how to get it, and that is all. Now, for those who don't know the benefit of having an Amazon, having your book on Amazon, somebody might just be searching for a book by Masmoro that is related to this. Yes. Yes. So everybody know. I'm live. You record yourself as you consume. Yes. So be careful. So come on, wait, wait, pause. Okay. 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 For me. Mm. So, what na share now with the yeah, someone is saying the video you saw it is the past, no? What's what you say for? Okay, that was my, or that is my babe. You can see her. That's my babe. I didn't even know it's her contact using to record, but we are one. Okay. So that is just it. That is very simple. So let me go and do the thumbnail and upload it on YouTube. In case you have not, in case if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. Okay. I give content like this and also help people to live is a life of purity. In our world, there are so many, as in so many sins, and we have now seen taking sin to become orgy according to the Igbos as cola as entertainment. People sing anyhow; they don't even it doesn't concern them. So that is one of my core major assignments. But I still feel because I know most of this online stuff, so I just feel as I teach you maybe the spiritual or the things that you cannot see, but it's affecting people negatively. I also can teach you something you can also do too and make small money and big money. Understand? I know so much online. Yes, it's not pride. Okay, I know so much online. So at least as somebody, so thank you very much. I am Professor Olero. Let me stop recording. Okay.